Hi there. This tutorial video will demonstrate how to fill in and submit MCD survey step by step. Before filling in MCD survey, please make sure the composition structure, materials, percentage, weight, test report, and SDS file, all the information are ready. There are two ways to fill in MCD survey. The first way, create certification of compliance, ICP report, composition data sheet in the Document Center. Select these existing forms and documents while filling in MCD survey. The second way, create new documents while filling in MCD survey. First, click the MCD Survey 2.0 from the sidebar menu. The upper section is Searching Tool. Enter buyer, part number, part name, or more information to search the result of MCD survey. Find the MCD survey you need. Click the blue hyperlink of buyer's name to go to the MCD survey editing page. There are buttons showing different functions according to the needs. There are 3 steps when filling in MCD survey. First, fill in the basic info. The fields with red asterisks are required. If there is any additional information, fill in the supplier memo field. The second step is to upload certification of compliance. If the system does not show this section when filling in, then no need to fill in the certification of compliance field. Just skip this step. As shown on this current page, the document title has a red asterisk. Then it is required to upload the certification of compliance. Skip this step if there is no red asterisk. If there is an existing certification of compliance in the Document Center, click the drop-down menu. Select the document. If the certification of compliance has not been built, click New to create a new one. The new certification of compliance will display in the MCD survey section automatically. The third step is to fill in raw material. First, confirm whether the structure of the material is an assembled part or a single part. As the pop-up window shows, if the material can be disassembled into one or more raw materials, please select single part. If the material is composed of multiple subparts and each subpart can be disassembled into raw materials, please select assembled part. Let's create an example of single part. Click New. The system will display the editing page of raw material. There are 4 steps to create raw material. First, fill in the basic info. Please fill in the required fields: raw material name, raw material weight. Fill in the raw material name, then the material category, and the weight. Exemption means the raw material contains hazardous substance which exceeded the limit. Then the exemption can be applied here in order to get approved. Raw material policy means if the raw material does not apply the regulation, you can select the specific policy. You can skip the fields if they are not required fields. The second step is to upload composition data sheet. If there is an existing composition data sheet in the Document Center, click the drop-down menu to select the completed composition data sheet you need. You can also enter keywords to search. It will display the composition data sheet you need. Once you choose one, the information of composition data sheet will display automatically. If there is no existing composition data sheet in the Document Center, then click New to create one. The new composition data sheet will display automatically. Please note, only one composition datasheet can be selected. The third step is to upload ICP report. Click View Tested Substances to check further substance information. Create new or click the drop-down menu to select the existing ICP report from the Document Center. Once an ICP report is selected, the information will display automatically. One raw material can be applied to multiple ICP reports. The fourth step, declare guaranteed substances. Click View Guaranteed Substances to check the list. Click The material does not contain guaranteed substance if there is no guaranteed substance in the material. After all these steps are done, click Next. The system will display Compliance page. If there is no red text in the list, meaning the raw material has passed the compliance review. If it shows red text, meaning the raw material did not pass the compliance review, there are some data need to be modified. As shown on the current page, all information is approved. Click Exit to go back to the list page of raw material. The compliance status of the raw material displays compliant, meaning it is approved. If there are other raw materials to fill in, please repeat the same steps to create. Click Submit. The system will display a successful note. Click Exit. The system will go back to the list page of MCD Survey. Please check Only Verifying in the verification status. Then click Search to see the MCD survey you just submitted.